To kill the COVID, to kill the COVID, I'm gonna steam my broccoli. To kill the COVID, to kill the COVID, I'm gonna steam my broccoli. To kill the COVID, to kill the COVID, I'm gonna steam my broccoli. To kill the COVID, to kill the COVID, I'm gonna steam my broccoli. To kill the COVID, to kill the COVID, I'm gonna steam my broccoli. To kill the COVID, to kill the COVID, I'm gonna steam my broccoli. I started out by washing it real good, and then I chopped off the ends on a piece of wood. It was actually plastic. To kill the COVID, to kill the COVID, I'm gonna steam my broccoli. To kill the COVID, to kill the COVID, I'm gonna steam my broccoli. I put in my Cuisinart 4-in-1 cooker, and boy, the broccoli is beautiful like a piece of broccoli. You thought I was going to say something else, didn't you? To kill the COVID, to kill the COVID, I'm going to steam my broccoli. To kill the COVID, to kill the COVID, I'm going to steam my broccoli. I'm very happy, so I will eat my broccoli now. Actually, in 24 minutes. Thank you so much for listening to my little song.